Hi and welcome back to another lovely video. On today's video, we are doing the new Impress press-on nails medium length. This color is perfect for spring. Y'all, was cleaning out my nails and I came across these. I've had this for a while, forgot about it, but love this color. It's perfect for spring. Doesn't it give you spring vibes? If you've already had this before, comment down below. Also, if you are new here, my name is Audrey Loveberry. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Lovely Berry squad and stay tuned as we put on these beautiful nails. You can get these nails from your local Walgreens, local CVS. That's where usually I get my nails from. If you have a good Walmart that has good, what is it called? What I'm trying to say, inventory. They may have these as well. So these are the press-on nails. So they're going to have the little sticky tab here, and the way to put them on, I'll show you guys, of course, is you want to size it to your finger and then tear off the sticky tab and do it that way, okay? So for me, I do like to glue on the nails so they can stay longer. But for this one, we are just going to do the stick on. So it comes with a white pad, a toothpick, and a little file here so you can prep your nails. And of course it comes with the directions on how to do it. After that, we're going to size the nails and then we're going to get to sticking them on. I bought you that a bunch of shit for Christmas, ain't even say thank you. I had no money left from acting, I was focused on the music. I used to always try and bring the CDs to my new shit. You be like, who's this? I be like, me, girl. You be like, oh, word, true shit. Then ask if we can listen to Ludacris. Car rides made me feel like I was losing it. Yeah, made me feel like I ain't have it like that. I was average like that. Started drinking way more than I used to. People form habits like that, girl. Yeah. Man enough to tell you I was hurt that year. I'm not even Christian, I still went to church that year. Guess I just had to pretend that year. I ain't even see my friends that year. That shit fair. You ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that they're both like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow, 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 I need to go and shadow. I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast after that. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil.
then kill Sovoma. I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast after.
Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look, and I'm just taking the file to file down the little, you see that right there? I'm gonna file that down so it's not sticking out.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things.
Alright, so there you have it. Cute spring color, that cute, beautiful, what do you say, like, it's like a mint green or blue, maybe. But I love it. Nice and quick application. Impress. Press on nails without the glue. Alright, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and comment down below. Hit that like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.